This 2025 Keystone Cougar 22 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, slide-out, microwave, spare tire kit, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Cougar 22 RBS is 6,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.